Idiots in a U-Haul crashes mistakes in road rage. But I'll ride with it. I don't know who gets these anyway, bro. Like, how little of you could have fit that in here. Unless this is full already, then you're really with whatever's happening right now. Everyone walked away from this accident. The driver pulling the U-Haul trailer was ticketed on this. Good. Bro, and you gotta bring this back, and it's all fucked. Tow it back? I don't know. Yeah, no way. No way. You think that's gonna work? It must have. It must have worked. Bro, dude was probably gassed the whole day because he's like, I just held a whole load in the U-Haul with my body. Like, I'd be on some fumes too. Huh?
Good video. Yeah, good video.
Yo, they're not gonna say anything either, though. They're gonna just return that like nothing happened. Warned by the flashing bridge, backs up on a one-way street and pulls into a narrow parking lot, clipping a lamppost. He pulled over and called the city. How? I just Google what the city number is. 20 minutes later, I saw city vehicles parked nearby managing the situation. How much you think you gotta pay when you knock a light pole down? That's an easy $1,000, right? Before the fees, bro. I will say that's fair, dude. This is one of the biggest fucking things you can get from a U-Haul, dude. Like, you go and hit something. Oh, I hate people that do that shit. Till it absolutely cuts them out of their own lane. They're just gonna go full speed and force their way over. Like, you're the problem. Good. Found me not liable. I originally thought he was going into the lane to stop his car. If I did brake, I would have been rear-ended. Right now, the damage is just some scuffs. I ended up hitting the truck's foot plates. So they had no damage? Oh, yeah, you didn't even hit the car. Okay. This guy's smooth for backing it out. Like, this guy right here? Smooth for getting out the way. That was a good one, man. That was a good one. Snow Bunny Carry. Why you got that on your dash cam or some shit? Snow Bunny Carry. What the hell? Carry, what you doing? No audio though. Okay. Yo, back it up, Carrie. Why are you passing them? Yeah, she crazy. Derpity derp? What is this, like 2010?
What the hell?
Hi.
Honey, what the hell?
Apparently he's stopping in the middle of the freeway.
Oh, what an asshole, bro.
Oh my God.
I hate that. Like, you think you're cool doing that? Walking out looking like a big man.
Knife. He's got something.
It's his
He's
phone.
getting out.
Why are you stopping in the middle of the freeway, dude?
Call 911.
Call 911. Call 911. Calling 911 right now. Hey,
Let's go.
I'm
What
gonna.
a freak.
I mean, y'all should have done that sooner, though. Not gonna lie. Like, what's the dude doing not taking any control of that? Insane U-Haul driver attempts to cause a massive accident and then proceeds to get out of the car to assault us. Bro, that's so gassed up. Like, come on, bro. It's to assault you, bro. He was gonna say what you were doing. And if you had the vibe, like, he was trying to fight. That's clearly what it was.
Man.
Trying to say, try to cause a massive... Come on, bro. I don't know. I mean, he tried to brake check you. That's not causing a massive accident, is it? It's just dramatic, bro. And then you gonna be dangerous and...
Fucking weirdo.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, whoa, whoa. Is he just stupid? He hit the lip of the gas thing on the bike. Lucky, bro. You didn't take the whole thing with you. Oof.
Stop!
Oh, it would stress me the out. I own a gas station. A woman in a U-Haul truck hit my 2 pumps and fled. Oh, this is her! No way, this is the same lady, and she's just up like this. I followed her and got her to pull over. Then she reverses her U-Haul into my car. When the cops arrive, I explained the story and demanded she is cited for hit and run. Wrote her a ticket. Initial repairs testing 7 to 10K. If we fail, vapor recovery. I don't know. I don't know what all that is, bro. I feel like now you're just being kind of a dick. I don't know what all that is. Like, yeah, she's a dumb in the U-Haul. Get your money. But what? Dude, why is it always these, bro? It's don't drive near these. Like, get the fuck out of the road if these are next to you. Oh, ah. And now you both gotta stop, bro. You gotta take the time out now to stop because he just tapped you. Memphis, Tennessee. The officer gives him a ticket and the driver started yelling at me and the officer. He didn't know I had a dash cam. Oh, well, you didn't show me the video. You just showed me the initial part. All right, whatever, dude. Oh, I didn't know they were doing that shit yet, though. I thought that was, like, made, but I didn't know it was, like, rolled out. That is sick. I can't wait to see that in person one day.
Fish on, fish on.
Dude, fish on is a crazy term for that. I love it.
Got the Learjet. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Ooh, that ain't even a U-Haul, bro. That's just a crazy tow.
What?
This vehicle's gonna crash right in front of me. Oh, it did. It crashed, it turned over.
Holy, dude. Wrecked both cars.
Yeah. He was towing a vehicle. He's towing a vehicle and he got the wobbles.
Dude, your ass needs to get the fuck out of the way. Like, let this guy over.
The vehicle he was towing flipped over.
See, and you're like, oh, well, he'll stop. I mean, there's an accident right in front of him. He'll stop. You piece of shit.
God. That kind of stuff scares me to watch.
Bro, the axles.
God.
Oh.
That kind of stuff scares me to watch.
Oh my god, it's laying like a dog that's lazy with the legs out. Oh my god. That's gone, dude. Both cars completely totaled. Are you following him? Oh, it's a cop. Holy shit, dude. When you gotta move. When the rent goes up. Oh no. In a church parking lot, bro. That is some universe shit. Didn't even damage the parking lot. Except this. Bro's still trying though. Bro, trying to bust out of the windshield. Like, what an idiot. He did try. Bro's great. There's no audio. This is awkward. Oh, I thought he burst through and tried to attack the officer. He was just putting his hands out. Oh, no, 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 no! Yeah, it's crazy behavior. That's crazy. Oh, this poor Porsche, dude. Oh, this guy's jamming, though. Oh, no. Wait, Wait, what? Best instant karma I've seen RRL. 2 cars cut off Porsche turning left, but don't realize undercover cops right behind them. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, that's a different country. Okay. I was like, what kind of cop car is that? Oh, no, that's like a Ford. Okay. It's just like squeezed. It's so tight. This is weird. All right, I'm moving to the next one. Dude, this is long, bro. We're only 5 minutes in. I'll probably watch like 7, 8 minutes of this and I'll be done. Huh? Was reverse pitted by a U-Haul box truck diving into my lane trying to take exit. I'm okay. The neck was sore. Okay, bud. I didn't even see what happened. Huh? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I missed too much, dude. Reset. Reset. Holy shit. No audio. Great. Love it. Oh. Ooh, I hate that, dude. That last grinding to the halt part. Ugh, that's what I was talking about in the last stream where it was like talking about the accident I was in. Whoo. Drunk drivers are the worst, bro. Fucking hate them. Oh, he's trying to stop. He can't. Holy shit, dude. You fucked that whole thing up. Oh, he probably can't even stop, though. Oh, he pissed. Oh, they just gonna fight. Oh, it's a whole What are you fighting about? You're so wrong about it, though. New Jersey. That actually is fair. That's fair. In the vicinity of the American Dream Mall, and the Jersey State Troopers arrived several minutes after the incident. Unknown if any arrests made. Wow, dude. Oh no, dude. Snow, I mean, that's just fair though. Who can drive in this? You're talented. You're talented, dude. I've never been able to drive in snow. I've done it maybe once in my entire life. Oh, what are you gonna run? He ran. Bro, you have to pay, you have to like give your ID and shit to rent these, no? Unless he stole it. Yeah, it must have been stolen. He also hit an SUV. Alright, dude, this is gonna be the last one because I'm getting a little bit annoyed with the same thing over and over. U-Haul drivers are terrible, bro.
No, not yet.
Oh, why are people always stealing U-Hauls to do like pursuits and shit? I get it's $20 in town, you know, that's great, solid deal, you know, but we don't have to take advantage of it so often. It's going 100.
Yeah, we're top down here.
Oh, now you kind of look like that was kind of a stupid maneuver now. Holy shit.
Star Central, it's tight, I need it.
Dude, he's still going. Holy shit.
Charlie, around it. Everybody explode.
He's still going. Oh, that was crazy. All right, one more. Oh, he's done for. Oh, I don't think. Bro, no. Somebody died there. Like, come on. And it's icy, bro. He's done for. All right, that's just kind of sad. I'm just gonna move. I'm just gonna move on. All right, that was 7. It was like 8 minutes of that. That's pretty much my cap, I think.